Now let's move to another page for invoices. Here you will see invoices under payments. Click on invoices. And you can download your commission invoice. You can choose the month for which you want to download your commission invoice, and you can click on generate. It will generate a file and you can download it from here. You can see the sections here. So here you can select commission invoice, or else you can go to types of reports and you can search for invoices. Same. So both the parts work on the same way. Let's click on download and see. Please keep a note that commission invoice for the most recent calendar month are generated by 7th of the following month. So for August month, the commission invoice would have been generated on 7th of September. For September month, it will be generated on 7th of October. So you can click on this. This has been downloaded, and from here you can check out your commission invoice. So this is how the commission invoice is made. I hope that gives a clearer picture to you all. Now, I hope the idea of invoice is clear to you. Now let's move on to statements. Under your payments tab, you will see a section called statements. Click on that and you will be directed to your statement page. So here you have option. You can choose the account type. You want to check prepaid, postpaid, or both. And then you select a date range. And you click on generate, or else you can enter a UTR number and you can click on generate. So you have these two options and you will get all the details about your statement. And you can not only view your payment statement, but you can download the file for all accounts, date range, and so once you click on this view settlement option, it will take you to another page. Here you can check the previous payments for payment for previous months, and you will get all the details about your payment date, bank account, NEFT ID, balance account type. So you can verify from here as well.